Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salilo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video. So videos of Christian and of course the FM presenter Usisane Lembukazi are looking all frail and ill, are doing its round on social media platforms. You guys, I'm talking about Facebook, TikTok, and of course Twitter. Now there has been reports. I think she too confirmed that, if I'm not quite mistaken, that she is suffering from an illness called cancer, and I kind of forgot which kind of cancer she is suffering from. Now, you guys, she was hospitalized a few weeks ago, and blogs have reported on that story, including myself, of course, and just recently, videos of her going to church and congregants actually praying for her because she is ill. We're doing its round on TikTok, you guys, and those videos, I must say, they looked very much sad and devastating. We pray that she heals from whatever kind of cancer that she is suffering from, you guys. Anyways, please do share your thoughts, prayers with me in the comments section, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I will definitely be seeing you on my next one, and may God bless you. Bye.